Hello everyone, Faisal Khan here from One Extraordinary Life. I coach a lot of people who are burnt out, and one common trait that I find in them is that they lose a sense of personal accomplishment at work. They don't find work fulfilling anymore. One way in which we can counter this is that we can take stock of the accomplishments that we've had throughout the day. Now, these don't have to be big, grandiose accomplishments. If they are, well and good. But if they're not, we can still take stock of the smaller or the simpler things that we've accomplished. For example, we might have sent an important email to someone. We might have had a meaningful conversation with someone. We might have helped someone complete a task. We might have participated in a project at work. And all of these things added up will give us a sense of accomplishment, things that we're achieving, things that we're doing at work. And once we take stock of these things and we kind of gather them in our minds, it will give us a sense of pride that we're actually being useful at work. And this way we can start finding work more fulfilling. And that will take us away from the sense that we're not accomplishing anything. And then as a result of that, we won't feel burnt out. So in order to avoid burnout, one of the things we can do is take pride in our accomplishments, big or small, throughout the day. I hope you find this useful. More videos to come. Thank you.